Hello students, in this video we will learn to enter data in a table. To enter data in a table, bring the pointer on the cell where the data is to be entered and click. Notice that the blinking cursor appears in the cell. Start typing the required content. To move the cursor horizontally to the next cell, press Tab key from the keyboard. To move the cursor horizontally to the previous cell, press Shift and Tab key combination from the keyboard. You can use up, down, left, and right arrow key from the keyboard to move the cursor in the respective direction in a table. In this way, we can enter data in table in MS Word 2013. Thank you.